Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick video. I got lots of requests for this video and I just never got around to filming, and today is a perfect day because I have the rest of my makeup already done and all I'm missing is my eyelashes or mascara. And I posted a makeup routine a couple of videos back and I mentioned that I switch between mascaras all the time, and that is true. I wasn't lying. I do switch between mascaras often, but this is my go-to mascara routine if I need a really long lengthy lash and I'm not wanting to try anything new. I don't do this on a daily. This is just if I'm wearing nothing else but mascara and I just really want attention to be drawn to my lashes over anything else. But if I am doing a specific makeup look, I will switch between different mascaras, so I just want you guys to know that. I'm going to zoom you guys up really close, and I'm sorry if my makeup looks crusty. I tried out a new concealer today for my under eyes and I don't know how I'm feeling about it, but yeah, we're going to be super close up, so I do use lots of mascaras in this routine, but I feel like I've just been doing this forever that they're definitely my go-tos and I love them so much. Most of them are drugstore, and if they're not drugstore, I have a very good alternative for you guys. So I start off by curling my lashes. I've had this eyelash curler for literally the longest time and I think it's time to get a new one because it's looking a bit crusty, so next time I go to the store I'm definitely gonna have to remember to buy myself a new one, but I'm pretty sure it's from Five Below or something. I don't know. And I didn't want to wear anything too dramatic, like any winged eyeliner that's too thick, because then it would take away from the length of the eyelashes with the eyeliner on the lid. So I just went for natural today. And I'm going to start off by curling my lashes. I don't do this every day, I'm going to be honest. I don't curl my lashes often. I do it probably only when I do this routine, but if I'm wearing mascara for any other look or event, I will not do. Okay, so the first mascara that I use is this Tarte Man Eater mascara. I got this on sale on Black Friday. It was it was $15. Originally $21 or something, so that was a really good deal. As you can see, the wand is very precise, it's very spiky and sharp looking, as opposed to a really big puffy brush, which is going to give you volume. This is going to give you lots of separation, but a really good dupe for that is the Voluminous Million Lashes. As you can see, this has very precise applicator too. It's very spiky as well, and I use the Tarte Man Eater one first because this is really just going to separate your lashes. It doesn't give much color or length, it just really separates them. Next I go in with my Essence I Love Extreme Mascara. This gives you crazy volume. It literally says right there, crazy volume. And guys, I can just feel how unhealthy this is for your lashes, so it's probably not the best mascara to use. As you can see, this wand is very short, so it's not going to be good at separation, and it just has lots and lots of product on there. I have to wipe it off on the bottle a lot before I even go in with it, and you're going to see the crazy difference when I apply it to this one versus this one without it. I really layer this stuff on though, because if I could recommend any product to you from this video to get long lashes, it would definitely be this mascara. And this gives your lashes a very clumpy look, but that's why we're going to go in with another mascara to take out the clumpiness. As you can see, there's a big difference between this eye and this eye. I did get mascaras up here, but I always do when I get long lashes because I have hooded eyelids, so it's very minimal space there. But then I go in with the Maybelline the Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara. This mascara has kind of cupped, it has kind of a cupped wand, if you can see. And this does really nice separation, but the reason I'm not using the Tarte one for separation is because this gives length as well, so it separates while giving length. And I really use a combing through motion. I don't just layer it on. So there's those lashes. As you can see, they're kind of together and it looks way too long, at least for me. So I go in lastly with the Physicians Formula Mascara. This wand is super big, but it has so many bristles on it to really get in between and separate. As you can see, it totally just separated those two. So for my bottom lashes, I only like to use the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara just because I feel like this one has the littlest bristles to really get on my under eye without getting it on my actual skin. I like to pull down my eye just because I feel like that helps a lot. And I use like wiggling motions on the bottom. My lower lashes have no length to them whatsoever. And these never get long no matter what product I use. I tried castor oil and nothing makes my lower lashes long. So yeah, there's that, and I'm sorry guys, but that's probably the longest they've ever gotten, to be honest. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye guys!